Welcome back to Medicine Made Easy with me, Kavitendral. Now, in previous video, we would have discussed about the gram-positive cocci classification, and in specific, we have discussed about Staphylococcus. Now, in this video, we will discuss about Streptococcus. Before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe for more interesting videos, and as well press the bell icon so that you will receive regular video updates. And I have also added new and interesting points regarding the classification so that we'll all learn more easier way. So it's going to be an easier discussion only. You can share this video to your friends so that we'll all learn together. Without further delay, we'll start the discussion. If you have not watched the previous video, the link is in the description. You can check it out, and you can follow our Instagram page. The link is also in the description. You can check it out. Now coming to the classification again, we know that gram-positive cocci is going to be classified as catalase. Remember, we have discussed like catalog. So first is catalog. So right, catalog, catalase test. So by doing catalase test, it turned out to be negative. How to remember? C catalase. C is present in micrococcisia. So say it means catalase is positive in micrococcisia. Catalase test is negative in streptococcus. Have remembering this. So we know it is arranged in terms of chain or pairs because the division, plane of division is such a way. And now we are going to classify Streptococcus Coccisia family by oxygen requirement. So what are the classification? One is obligate anaerobe. So obligate anaerobe is it will never grow in the presence of oxygen. That is an obligate anaerobe. That is Streptococcus and Pneumococcus. Now coming to aerobes. Aerobes are present, and an important point is there is a classification called facultative anaerobes. These facultative anaerobes and aerobes are together again classified by hemolysis test. Basically, we take 5% sheep blood agar. This is the most important point in classification. Remember, the facultative anaerobes are classified by terms of culture in the 5% sheep blood agar. We're taking sheep blood, okay? By taking this sheep blood, making an agar, which is a 5% concentration. Now, what happens if this Streptococcus family bacteria are going to grow? It will show three different types of reaction. One is alpha hemolysis. Remember the color also. Alpha hemolysis green color, beta hemolysis something red color hemolyzed, and gamma hemolysis. So, see, did you see any color? No, right? Remember this. In alpha hemolysis, it says that now here is the colony. Around the colony, there is greenish discoloration. Why there is greenish discoloration? Because there is partial hemolysis. This characteristic is usually seen in Streptococcus viridans and Streptococcus pneumoniae. This is also called as Pneumococcus. Remember, Pneumococcus, the most important organism that is going to show alpha hemolysis. Come into beta hemolysis. Beta hemolysis is caused by the bacteria. There are many bacteria, so they are collectively called as beta hemolytic streptococci. It means what they do? They do complete hemolysis. Actually, this beta hemolytic streptococci are classified based on carbohydrate antigen in the cell wall. That is called Lancefield grouping. Before we actually go to Lancefield grouping, let us complete gamma hemolysis. Gamma hemolysis says no hemolysis. A classical example is Enterococcus. Now coming to classification. Lancefield classification, a grouping of beta hemolytic streptococci. Now what does it say? It says that there are groups, that is from A to V except I and J. So there are groups. Remember, majority of the pathogenic beta hemolytic streptococci are grouped under group A. And the prototype here is the Streptococcus pyogenes. This Streptococcus pyogenes is the name given by Rosenbach. Why this guy Rosenbach, scientist Rosenbach, gave this name is because this organism was causing this pyogenic infection, and so it is given as Streptococcus pyogenes. Now, this Streptococcus pyogen is in turn classified by Griffith typing. So, Griffith typing, by that he had classified nearly more than 100 serotypes, but based on what is using M protein. So, first beta hemolytic streptococci is classified as groups by C antigen, carbohydrate antigen. Now, the serotypes are classified by M protein. Then the genotypes are classified by EMM gene. So by EMM gene genotyping, there is more than 200 genotypes which is identified. Now one thing to say is there's something called alpha prime hemolysis. It means what? Now here is a colony. Surrounding to the colony there is incomplete hemolysis, and after that there is a complete hemolysis. This is called as alpha prime hemolysis. This is shown by some species of Streptococcus. So with this we are completing the discussion on classification of Streptococcus. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.